The WSUANE D15S MAX promises powerful 10,000 PA suction, dToF LiDAR navigation, and a 90-day self-emptying dock for hands-free cleaning. This robot vacuum and mop combo targets pet owners looking for advanced features at a competitive price. We'll explore its real-world performance and overall value. Check the link in the description for the best price. This first chart details the WSUANE D15S MAX performance in typical real-world cleaning scenarios. Hard floor cleaning is a definite strength for this model, showing good performance with its strong suction and effective brush system. The anti-tangle roller design makes it quite effective at picking up pet hair. This feature helps prevent frustrating clogs from accumulating. While it includes advanced LiDAR mapping, independent reports indicate the navigation can struggle with common household obstacles, potentially getting stuck often. The mopping function offers basic light maintenance. It can handle minor spills, but it is not designed for deep, heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The cleaning hardware on this robot vacuum appears quite competitive. However, available real-world evidence suggests that its obstacle handling might require more floor preparation than advertised. Next, we evaluate the D15S MAX overall value proposition compared to its market positioning. It offers an impressive array of high-end features, like strong suction and LiDAR navigation, usually found in more expensive models. Brand trust remains a key consideration here. With limited history, long-term support and reliability are not yet well established. It's competitive on raw specifications, though its real-world reliability, especially with navigation, remains a factor against established alternatives. Frequent discounts make its extensive feature set even more appealing. These promotions can significantly improve the overall buying proposition. This robot vacuum offers an aggressive feature list for its price point, which is initially very appealing. However, the less established brand and reported navigation issues temper its overall value. Our final chart looks at potential risks and common complaints associated with this robot vacuum. Initial build quality appears adequate for the price. However, its long-term durability and resistance to wear and tear remain largely unproven. Reliability is a concern, as reports mention the robot frequently getting stuck around common household obstacles, needing user intervention. The brand's customer support and warranty process are not yet clearly established. This presents a potential challenge for buyers needing assistance. App functionality appears basic but generally stable. It might lack some of the advanced features or polish found in more established ecosystems. The overall risk is conservative because independent real-world evidence is still limited for this product. The brand ecosystem is also not yet well established. The WSUANE D15S MAX presents a compelling package of high-end features like strong suction, LiDAR mapping, and self-emptying. It offers great value for pet owners willing to prepare their floors. However, buyers should be mindful of potential navigation challenges and the limited history of brand support. This makes it a cautious purchase for homes with many obstacles.